Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We are almost approaching the halfway of the tax year, which started in April 2024. In today's video, I will provide you with an update of my stocks and shares portfolio with Investengine platform, which is an ETF only investment platform in the UK. Over the last few months, we have seen quite a lot of uncertainty in the global stock markets. We are still waiting for the interest rate cut from US, which is quite likely in September. Inflation numbers have been steadily falling in the UK as well as in the US, and the S&P 500 index is continuing its rise, particularly after early August sell-off. While the rally has been broad, lifting the equal weight index of S&P 500, the technology stocks have led the way for the rally and they are up almost 50% this year. With this global backdrop, let's dive into the performance of my ETF portfolio for this tax year. If this is your first time on my channel, hello, my name is Suman. I work as a doctor in the UK, and on this channel I make videos about life and work in the UK as well as about how I manage my own money and my investments both in India and in the UK. Please consider subscribing to this channel if this topic is of interest to you. If you find value in this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Friends, if you have been following my channel for more than last 1 year, then you might know that I have been investing in this particular stocks and shares ISA account on Investengine from October 2022. I started off with a few deposits here and there, just getting used to the platform. And then from June 2023, I started regularly investing £250 per week and have continued this regularly since then. This weekly investment happens in an autopilot mode and it's a completely hands-off process. Of course, I can stop, restart, change the amount and the frequency of my investment whenever I want. So I am in complete control of this investment process. For those of you who are new to this platform, Investengine has the option to invest as do it yourself or DIY investor, where you will choose your own investment products. But if you are a complete beginner and not confident designing your own investment portfolio, then you also have the option of choosing their managed portfolio, which comes at a cost of 0.25% per year. And in that case, the professionals from the Investengine investment team will manage your investment for you. You can invest with as little as £100 or from £10 a week with their regular savings plan. For signing up, please use the link in my description box and pinned comments. If you decide to sign up to the platform using my link, then I will receive some affiliate commission from the company. In return, you will also receive some referral bonus which ranges from £10 to £50. So let's dive into my Investengine portfolio. So I invest in this core portfolio and this is where I have a savings plan of £250 a week. The total value of this portfolio is £19,106.26p and I have a profit of £1,601.58. The return that I have generated on this portfolio over the last 2 years is around 26.71%. Now I want to highlight here that this kind of return is unbelievable return, and the reason I could manage to do this is because all the indices, particularly the US markets, they are having an excellent run over the last year or two. Now, me being a globally diversified investor, I am only benefiting from this kind of bull run that we are seeing. You shouldn't expect this kind of a return year on year over a long-term period, for example, 10 years or more. To be realistic, we should be expecting something around 8 to 10% year on year for a decent growth of our portfolio. I invest in 6 ETFs which form part of my core portfolio. The first one is Franklin FTSE India with the ticker of FRIN, FRIN. This constitutes 30% of my portfolio and it has given me a return of 33.11%. Now, Indian markets are also having a multi-year bull run for last few years, so I'm only benefiting from that kind of a return. The next one is iShares Nasdaq 100 with the ticker of CNX1. That also constitutes 30% of my portfolio and I have generated a return of 66%, which is mind-blowing, and I don't think this is going to continue for too long. The next one is iShares Edge MSCI World Quality Factor ETF with the ticker of IWFQ. Now I have around 10% of my investment going into this ETF, and the reason for doing this is I just want to invest in high quality companies which constitute part of this ETF. The next one is a thematic one and it is Wisdom Tree Artificial Intelligence with the ticker of INTL. This constitutes around 10% of my portfolio and it has given me a positive return of 20% over the last couple of years. However, in recent weeks, some of these numbers have gone red. The next ETF is Xtracker's MSCI World Momentum ETF with a ticker of XDEM, and that constitutes around 7% of my portfolio, but I'm increasing the allocation to around 10%. I am a big fan of the momentum strategy and all my portfolio nowadays include some form of a momentum factor ETF or index fund. This momentum ETF is a new fund in my portfolio and I have been slowly building my position to make it 10% of my overall portfolio. The next ETF is iShares Physical Gold with the ticker of SGLN, and I am planning around 10% of my portfolio to be in gold. If you have been following the gold prices, they have been touching all-time highs now, and over the last few weeks I have already started investing as a regular plan in this physical gold ETF, and I have moved all my money market fund to gold. I was investing in money market fund when the interest rate were very high. Now there is a chance that the interest rate might be cut. In that case, the money market fund may not be as attractive. That's one of the reasons I have moved all of my money market fund to gold. Investengine offers user-friendly interface where you can actually see your geographical distribution, sectors, individual shareholdings. For example, around 51.4% of my investments are based in North America. Emerging markets, which includes India, constitute around 27.6% of my investments, and I have around 3.9% in Europe except UK, and Japan constitutes 1.8% of my portfolio. The top 5 shares that are part of my portfolio are Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Meta Platforms, and Broadcom. Amongst the Indian companies, my largest holdings are Reliance and HDFC Bank. I have shared my Investengine portfolio link in the description box below for you to check it out later. Please do not go and blindly invest in this investment products without understanding the reasoning and rationale behind them. My investment horizon, investment style, and risk tolerance are completely different from yours. So please do your due diligence before investing your money. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. If you are not sure about how to handle your investment, I would recommend consult a financial advisor. Remember, during investment, your capital is at risk and there is a chance that you may lose your money. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends so that this video reaches out to more and more people like you. And if you want to get started on your investment journey with Investengine, then please do check out the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.